So this is a quick unboxing of the adjustable stand for Show 5 and 8 from Amazon. This is your Show 8, Echo Show 8 from Amazon, first generation. So this is a stand, so you can see the camera over here on the corner. Now it's only looking at this my ceiling, so in order to look better, it has to be inclined. So this stands will help do this. So unboxing and put it on. So here you go. Very simple. This is a magnetic back plate. This is, you have a rubber underneath so it doesn't slip when you put it in. And as you see, this inclines, so all we have to do is lift up your Echo Show, put it underneath, and there you go. Now you have an Echo Show with an inclining stand. This is my Echo Show 5, so same stand as I showed you in the 8. All you have to do is put it on the back. Same thing, just put it underneath. There you go. And there you go. Now you have an inclining Echo Show 5. So that's it. Simple as that.